Our 2023 Airstream International came with the standard Victron MPPT control panel in the backsplash, and after looking in the manual, I figured out it's impossible to figure out how to use that thing. So I ordered this smart Bluetooth dongle from Victron, which plugs into the solar controller and abandons the one in the backsplash, and then you can see exactly what's going on with your solar from your phone. And then I realized I'm not even sure exactly where my solar controller is here in my Airstream. So I reached out to my friend Brad at 13 Adventures, and he told me it's probably under the nightstand on the passenger side of the Airstream. So I'm going to attempt to remove the nightstand, find the solar controller, and plug this thing in. And if you're wondering why you're watching this on a channel called Digital Barbell, it's because as of this week, my wife and I are traveling, living, working full-time in our Airstream because we own an online training and nutrition coaching company. So I've already got the door removed off of the cabinet. If you've never done that before, all you do is push in on these little levers on your hinge and then pull out and the door will come off. I'm pretty sure all I have to do is remove 3 screws that were hidden back here where the door closes, and then I need to pull the mattress forward so I can access the screw that goes in from behind the bed straight into the side of the camper here. Let's give it a shot. The screws got shorter as I went down, so I need to remember that when I put it back together. Okay, so to get to that screw up here in the very front of the cabinet, I'm gonna have to pull the bed back and see how I can access it. We usually keep our bedroom a lot nicer looking, but I had to take everything out of the cabinet, so the bed looks a little junky. There it is right there. I gotta pull the bed back even further. Make sure we note how long this one is. All right, let's get the bed moved back up and see what happens if I try to pull this nightstand out. Whoa, it is totally loose. Huh. There she is, the solar controller. All right, so here's the dongle. Just has one connection on it. Let's see what the instructions say. Where's the English? After installation of the dongle, the Victron product can be monitored and or configured via Bluetooth using the Victron Connect app. Insert the VE Direct plug into the VE Direct port of the Victron product. Seems pretty simple. I think I'm going to download the Victron app, so I'll be ready for that first. All right, the app is downloaded. Let me climb back in here and get to the controller. All right, I think I'm going to have to unplug the existing wire that goes to the monitor in the backsplash to be able to use this one, because I know you abandoned the old one. Let's see. Yeah, that looks like the same connection on this one. So then this one would go in. Which way? There we go. We're getting a Bluetooth light on here, which is what we want. I'm gonna go into the app here now. Connecting. I need a number. Where's the number? Enter the code shown on VE Direct Smart. There's a couple numbers on here. If that can't find it or doesn't work, hit 6 zeros. 4, 5, 6. I gotta update the app. Here we go. Oh, the firmware is updating. While we're under here, here's my inverter back there. Might want to upgrade that to a larger one in the future if we ever get more batteries. Firmware complete. Fetching data. All right. Looks like we're working. You are connected using the default Bluetooth pin code. We recommend you change the pin to prevent unauthorized connections. It's okay. So here you go. We're plugged in right now. super cloudy. So now I'll be able to monitor from my phone, and I'll have to use that crazy thing in the backsplash. I'm planning to put it all back together in the exact reverse order. You probably don't want to see that. Hope this was helpful. Have a good day.